sagot po sa lahat ng mga maaaring mangyari after the revelation of all these documents po. The problem with that is I am not accusing. I am not making an accusation. I am just presenting the documents to you as I have promised when we met first. That I was then in the process of making some verifications. That's the reason that at that time, I did not name names. Kasi sabi ko, it is unfair for us to name names because we are still in the process of making verifications. So after organizing a verification team and after being able to elicit information as to the existence of two accounts named under him, so this is not an accusation already. These are matters for him to answer with clarity and determination. It's not a pure. We do not expect pure denial lang kasi the burden of proof shifted to him already. Palilitawin niya na somebody really deposited for him and he requested or he employed somebody to open an account for him. Sana magpakita na somebody did that for him. But as far as the records are concerned, lumilitaw na sa pangalan niya ito eh. Kung mapatunayan niya na somebody really did this in order to blacken his reputation, then that's another story. But sa amin po, sabi niya kasi wala siyang account. So what we did is to deposit amounts. Just to prove that there are accounts and the accounts are existing.
Sir, magandang umaga po. Si Edmond, Pangilinan po ng IBS Media. Nagkita po tayo rin sa PSBL, yung opening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ang daya nyo, sir, ha? Birthday nyo pala.
Hindi ko nga alam na mayroong
So, binabati ko lang po. Greetings lang, sir. Congressman Marcoleta, happy birthday po.
Salamat.
And so ends this afternoon's press conference.
Nako, 3 araw na po nakalipas. So kung wala na po, siguro may konting pagkain yata yan, pagsalu-saluhan po natin.